Oase waterfall pumps are magnetic drive pumps that are specifically designed to create falls in water garden and pond-free applications. All Oase waterfall pumps are durable, reliable, energy-efficient pumps that excel in demanding applications. There are 4 smaller submersible waterfall pumps, the 1650, 2300, 3700, and 5150, that we discussed in a different video. The ones we'll be looking at today are the 2 larger pumps, the 6600 and the 8000. They are asynchronous pumps with a completely different rotor design, which offer installers the option to plumb these pumps either in the water or inline outside the water feature, a distinct advantage over their smaller sibs. Oase pumps are noteworthy for their power and efficiency, and the waterfall line is no exception. The Waterfall 6600 will push 6,600 gallons an hour for 460 watts and lift to a maximum head height of over 26 feet. The pump we see here, the largest of the line, delivers 8,000 gallons an hour, lifts water to over 31 feet of head height before shutoff, and draws 600 watts. To accommodate larger features where the electrical supply is not immediately adjacent, all the waterfall pumps come with a very generous 20-foot long cord. More important specifications are printed right on the box: maximum flow and head height, flow charts, cord length, electrical specifications, and the 2+1 warranty, a full 3 years upon registering the pump with Oase. Inside the box you'll find the manual, safety, and warranty information, along with the pump and multiple adapters for both submersible and inline installations, where the pump is installed outside the water feature. The barbed fittings are typically used with 1.5 and 2-inch kink-free or vinyl tubing in submersible applications. For inline use of the barbed fittings, gaskets are provided to guard against any leakage in the plumbing. The male threaded inlet and outlet of the pumps will also accept 2-inch Schedule 40 female fittings for use with Schedule 40 PVC rigid or flexible pipe, recommended for inline applications. On the front of the pump, the pre-filter pulls straight off for easy service and routine cleaning. To clean the rotor inside, you will need a screwdriver to remove the volutes of these 2 pumps, which are solidly attached to the motor with 4 screws to guard against leakage when used inline. One last point that sets these apart: all Oase pumps are equipped with a proprietary grounding plate that eliminates any chance of stray current from any source entering the water and causing a shock, for unparalleled safety. And that's everything you ever wanted to know about the Oase Waterfall 6600 and 8000 pumps, but we're afraid to ask. Check out our product page on the Atlantic-Oase website for more information on these and all our products. You'll find videos there too, and on our YouTube channel as well as on Facebook and Instagram. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.